Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and I am here today to announce the winner of May's giveaway. I am excited to see who has won this month's giveaway. And just to refresh your memory what the giveaway is, it was 4 little donuts of the Picasso yarn. So you got 4 of them. They're 50 grams. You get a little tub container for your stitch markers, and there's 10 stitch markers in there. You get a pen. You get a crochet hook, which is a 6mm. A 6mm. Let's see what else is in here. You get a little tube of 2 tapestry needles. You get 2 of them. And you get a magnet. It's got a magnet on the back, and you can put it on your fridge for your shopping, or for your throw it in your project bag. And I think that is it. So yeah, so you get 4 of these, and the Picasso is a 4-weight, guys, so that's why you've got this 6mm hook. I'm not sure, no, hold on, you don't get a 6mm hook, guys, sorry. It's the 5mm hook that you get, because it says 5mm here, so there's a hook that's being put in here by mistake. Sacre bleu. So yeah, so you get 4 of these, and you get notebook, 5mm crochet hook, a pen, some tapestry needles, and some stitch markers. So I'm going to turn you to the computer and let's see who has won May's giveaway. Okay guys, so this is the URL for the May giveaway, and I've put the URL there. I've ticked for duplicate users, filtered the word Picasso. So let's see how many comments there are. Wow, 337. Thank you so much, guys. So let's move across now to here, and let's make a start. Good luck everybody, and thank you all so very much for supporting my channel. Sarit, I've never tried ice yarn. I'll have to order a lot for it to be worth it, and really don't have the room. But I heard of the Picasso yarn. It's beautiful. Have a great week, Linda. Oh, thank you, Sarit. So now I am going to check to see if Sarit is part of my channel. I'm not going to I'm going to stop the video now. I'm not going to go through everybody that she's subscribed to, so just bear with me, guys, and I'll be back soon. There we are, guys. As you can see, she is definitely subscribed to me. So congratulations, Sarit. So, congratulations, Sarit. If you would email me at this address with your home address, you will have until what date is it today? Just bear with me. So you have until Tuesday, the 31st of May, to contact me and to claim your prize. So yeah, so congratulations to Sarit. Don't forget to send me an email with your home address, and I will get the prize out to you. You have until the 31st of May to claim your prize. So I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel, to enter the giveaways. Thank you, and leaving your comments and thumbs up. And guys, if you watch my videos and you haven't got time to leave a comment, a thumbs up is just as good. So thank you each and every one of you guys. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, leave comments, thumbs up. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe. But more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.